So we're here at MACH 2022. I'm here with Martin Burton from the XYZ stand. So Martin, how has MACH 2022 been for you guys?
Absolutely brilliant show. Probably a record show for us. Excellent to see people again. Lovely to come out of this after COVID. We didn't know what to expect, but it was a superb show.
Yeah, so I was just about to ask you, have you been really, really busy?
Oh yeah, absolutely busy. Brilliant. Seeing so many people is absolutely great. We've had over 300 really good inquiries from the show. So yeah, we're looking forward to chasing those up and going to see the customers.
Yeah, 100%. And I've heard that it's been really, really busy this week. So I'm really glad that you've got those customers and those leads. So what technology have we seen at MACH 2022 on your stand?
Well, we brought the latest ProtoTrack touchscreen controls. It's been out for about 4 years now, but it was great for people to see it because obviously 4 years since the last show. So they've seen that. We've got some new controls on the Siemens controlled machines as well. So yeah, we've got some more products coming in the future as well.
So MACH 2024, are we going to see you here then? And what new technology is there going to be on offer for you?
Oh, we're definitely going to be here. Definitely going to be here. I don't know where we're going to be in 2 years' time, but we'll bring in the latest tech. Yeah, and it'll be good.